Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm here to tell you about the use of since and for, as I have instructed you that we use the since and for with the since as you can see here, since since since. If for where we use the since, we use since with since 7 o'clock with the time 7 o'clock, 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, or 3 o'clock. Since Thursday, like since Monday, since Tuesday, since Wednesday, since Thursday, Friday, and Saturday. Since we use since with the days of week. Since June, we also use the since with the month's name. Since January, since February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Since 1980s, it can be 1990, it can be 2000. So since the 20th with the date. Since morning, since evening. Here I want to give you a tip that the tip is we use since for those words that are always singular, like they don't have their plural. Like we can't say that the 7 o'clock has its plural, it's 14 o'clock. So it's always remains the singular. And on the other hand, we are also having for 5 hours, for 4 days, for 3 months, for 2 years, for 6 weeks, for 10 minutes, for 2 nights. For 5 hours, we don't know which hours. It can be the 1 to 5 or which hours, because a day has 24 hours and we don't know what are the exact 5 hours. And or hours, s is plural. For 4 days, days of week, we know there are 7 days of week, and we don't know what they are talking about. They are talking about which 4 days. For 3 months, a year has 12 months, and we are not sure about which 3 months they are talking about. For 2 years, as we have spent a lot of years and we are not sure about, they are talking about which 2 years. They are talking about upcoming 2 years, or they are talking about the previous 2 years. They have not mentioned the exact time, exact date, days, exact months, exact years. For 6 weeks, we don't know which 6 weeks they have mentioned. For 10 minutes, here we also don't know which 10 minutes they are talking about. For 2 nights, and here we are also not sure about it. They are talking what they are talking about, which 2 nights. And as I have given you the concept of singular and the plural, for 5 hours, or hours, day, days. Look at these as or hours, day, days, month, months, year, years, week, weeks, minute, minutes, nights, nights. All these words have their singular, and these are the plural form. So if a word is only having singular, its singular form, then we use with it since. And if the word is having two form, like the singular form is or and the plural form is ors, singular form is day and the plural form is days, singular form is month and the plural form is months, singular form is year and the plural form is years, week, weeks, minute, minutes, night, nights. And whenever a word has the singular and the plural form, we use for those words for. So this is the concept of since and for. Hope so you will like this. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, share my video as much as you can, and comment, because in the comment section we get your feedback. We always disappoint you whenever we are not getting the comments from you. So please comment on my video and share with your friends. and like if you like this video. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching.